Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the three variable function used in Fox formula. Fox formula is used in SAP BW Integrated Planning. Here, the function that I will be discussing about those are VARV, VARC, and VARI. I will be giving you example also so that you can understand it better. So the first one, VARV. You can name it as V means value, variable value. Get the variable value. So here if I give the example like cost center equal to VARV IM cost center. Here IM cost center is the variable used in the coding. So if you write like this VAR value, then it will take the variable value of this IM cost center. Here important thing to notice that VARV cannot take more than one value. Suppose if this IM cost center is having multiple value or ranges, then it will show an error. So it is important to that this variable should have only one value. Next one is the VARC. You can understand it like C means count. So it will get the number of values of a variable. Suppose if you write like N cost center equal to VARC IM cost center, here IM cost center is the variable. So if this variable having one value or multiple value, it will show the count. So the N cost center will receive the number of variable IM cost center values. And the example like if the IM cost center is having a combination like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, then the value of N cost center will be 3. So now coming to the last one, that is VARI. Here it will get the nth variable value. If I show the example like I cost center equal to VARI IM cost center 3, the I cost center will receive the third value of the variable IM cost center. Suppose, and here the sorting will be done automatically in the system. So here I cost center contains combination like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 6, 7. So in this case, the I cost center will receive the last value. So these are the three functions that you can use in Fox formula in order to do various kind of extracting of the variable value. So thank you for watching. That's all for now in this tutorial. And please also look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description. And also you can find a tutorial on integrated planning that also you can follow. Thank you for watching.